Hi there, this is Fakir Yogi Virendra from Virendra DR channel. Beloved friends, look at the nature. It is very pleasant, it is very warm. But if you understand the language of nature, you will see, as said Ralph Waldo Emerson, the Mother Earth smiles in flowers. So you see some of the trees are smiling, and that is inducing that kind of happiness, joy, energy, and enthusiasm in all of us. So what I request, dear beloved friends, sisters and brothers, daughters and sons, be really a very warm person, lovable, affectionate, kind, compassionate, generous. Then you will be also reciprocated. That is also known as the Good Samaritan law. As you sow to others, they will sow to you. As you do to others, they will also reciprocate to you. But some people, though they are having great virtues and qualities to help and serve mankind, but sometimes they are very cold, no pleasing personality. They may be very powerful, they may be very skillful, they may be very knowledgeable, they may be very intelligent, they might have the wisdom of the universe more than Gautama, Siddhartha, Buddha, Vivekananda, Jesus, but they have very little impact on others because they are cold. They are not having pleasing character. Maybe they are ignorant, being blessed with all the virtues of life. They lack that virtue because they don't know what you are. They only know how much you love others and how you care for others, how much warm you are, how much feelings you have, how much respect you have for others. That can make you really a good person, a person who will be loved and respected by everyone. I know a lot of friends who are in my vicinity. They do not know how they are behaving. They are very cold. I don't like to meet such kind of people. Maybe because of the ignorant, indolence, bestial, groveling thoughts of egotism. They think that they are a superior person. They are really giving more power to their elevated superiority complex and the bigger responsibility they are holding as top of the organizations and top of the units and systems. But common people like me, a fakir, do not care bloody what you are, how much wealth you have. You may be Bezos, Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, Ratan Tata, Ambani, Mahindra, Birla. I need only your smile. And if you are lacking that power of love and affection, you be happy. Still I bless you and love you. Because I know only one thing. Meditation of love. I always contemplate and meditate how much I can love everyone, birds, beasts, animals and plants. I don't learn from others. One greatest, the enlightened and the wisest and the Brahma Jnana Mansi was Gautama, Siddhartha, Buddha. He taught me love everyone. Meditation of love, meditation of joy, meditation of serenity, meditation of calmness, meditation of pity, sympathy and empathy. Dear friends, these are enough for me. But I expect, be very fragrant like a flower. Give your perfumes and flavor to everyone all around. And that will be really a wonderful thing for you. We all will pass away one day. But how much you have loved for people, how much we have lived for others, how much I have cared and shared, that really counts. That become really immortal assets for the people who are surviving. And that's why it is said. Lives of great men all remind us we can make our life sublime and departing leave behind us footprints on the sands of time. When I tell you this, then I extend my love and affection to my creatures. You see dozen of dogs, Doberman, Rottweiler, and if you see in these bushes, you will find plenty of snakes who are very cold, they bite you because they are ignorant, indolent, thoughtless, useless, bestial creature. But they are rabbits also. They are peacocks also. So see, your character reveals what you are. Are you sandalwood fragrant? Or you are the king cobra wrapping the sandalwood but still biting with your venom? I pray sincerely. Be positive, be creative, be productive, be useful to society, and that too not anticipating or expecting anything in return. Some of the great men I know in India and abroad also. Bill Gates, one such great man. Andrew Carnegie was another great man. Ratan Tata is another great man. Manavratna Dr. J.V. Krishna Reddy is such great man who loves, cares, helps with his all might, with intellect, with wealth, with wisdom, with care. And for this, he is ready to shed his blood, toil, tears and sweat. They are really immortals. Humanity cannot forget them. Humanity owes to them. They have lived for others, and every moment they think about others, how to make others happy. That's why there is a beautiful line in Hindi which I recite and translate in English. खुद गरज दुनिया में ये इंसान की पहचान है, जो पराई आग में जल जाए वो इंसान है. Means they only live to live for others. But the greedy world, the egoistic world, full of vanity, ignorant, indolence, thoughtless thoughts, they think self-centered thoughts, selfish, greedy, angry, hateful creatures. Be wise, be pleasant, be affectionate. People should not forget you. The induction of a supreme magnet which you give to the people, that will always align you in the galaxies of the people who never die. They may not be in flesh and blood. Who can forget my best friend Abraham Lincoln, John F. Kennedy, Junior Martin Luther King, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Jesus, Gautam Siddhartha, Buddha. They were very warm. They were very great because they love everyone. They care for everyone. They share everything what they have acquired in life. They were positive. They were creative. They have given so much to the world. Thank you, viewers.